Hello again, and welcome to the Neuro Symbolic Channel. So I'm Paulo Shakarian, and I'm here speaking to you from Syracuse University. You may have seen in previous video we have moved, but really excited to be here and continue our mission to showcase research at the intersection of symbolic artificial intelligence and neural networks. So today I want to announce a journal special issue that we are going to be uh, accepting papers for. So if you see here on the screen, this is the special issue on metacognitive prediction of AI behavior. And for those of you who are not aware, but we have had a series of now 2 workshops on metacognitive AI of the same name. One thing about this special issue is you need not have submitted to any of these past workshops or participated in them. But the key is that we're trying to collect articles that are relevant to metacognitive AI. And so by metacognition, we're looking at um, at systems that reason about their own performance or extension to systems that enable reasoning about its own performance. And so, although it is associated with it, um, you do not need to have uh, submitted to that workshop. The other thing is we will be inviting select papers from the workshop to submit, but that does not rule out other submissions. So here we list, some of the goals of the special issue as well as topics relating to metacognition. For submission guidelines, this uh, this needs to be um, this needs to be new work. If the work was previously submitted to a conference, the general expectation is you're looking at about 30% new material. Um, and finally, the submission deadlines, title and abstract are due October 1st, and the actual paper will be due November 1st. And, we're thinking that these are going to be fairly firm deadlines because we really want to get the special issue published in the late spring of 2026. So that's all for today. Hope you consider submitting to our special issue if you have some relevant research, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you so much.